So the solution, which is a premium solution, is a solution that I see will work in this particular environment. It's quite a hostile environment next to the coast, and also a high wind loading environment as well. And I'm of an age where I want this to actually last some time. I don't want to keep reinstalling on a roof. I saw this as something that would provide a long-term answer. So there is a high salt, but it's the wind and also the driving rain that drives that salt solution. The corrosion gets into every nook and cranny here, and it's something that, so consequently with the renovation of this house, I've gone premium around the renovation. I thought the same thing around the solar panels. It's absolutely critical in this environment to actually have the best quality components, because otherwise you just pay a lot extra redoing the work quite quickly down the track. I anticipate that I'm going to have most of my power requirements actually provided for. So a cheaper panel would produce the same power in the short term. It's just the assurance of having it there in the longer term. So reliability is critical.